Well, welcome back, everybody. Let's go ahead and do a quick update on this market. So everything we talked to you about in the Sunday video and last night's video continues to be the same thing. We still have this big area of resistance right here, and you can see that on both the SPY that I just drew and on the Dow. So we're right up into that, and then like I said, right up above that, we have lots of resistance here as well. So on the shorter term basis, looking for the long side opportunities, are going to be more focused on short-term and intraday-based, strategies from my perspective. So, but speaking of strategies, what we're going to do here is I've never done an event like this. I was sitting in the hospital several weeks ago and thinking about some different things, and fortunately, I've got a wonderful team who's gone ahead and implemented several things for us. So, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a special class tomorrow night to go through several of these different types of strategies to put together for you here. So we're going to take some of the classics and combine them with really incredibly modern technologies and put it all together for beginner and advanced and day trading and swing trading traders and investors. That being said, make sure you go ahead and join me tomorrow night. You're not going to want to go ahead and miss that, since I've never done a class like this before. It's going to be really cool putting these things together, so I'm pretty excited about it, and you guys will be with me and get to see it for the first time ever. So looking forward to that. And so if you go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, we'll hit these different tools and technologies and methodologies for spotting trades. Whether you have super powerful tools like wealth charts, or you're finding things on your own, there'll be a little something for everybody there. And so I'm really excited to show tomorrow night's training and interactive presentation back and forth with you guys. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow night. becomeabettertrader.com/go, and we'll keep humming along right with this market based on the strategies that we talked to you about here in the last few videos. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.